Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Power Automate for email to task routing step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Microsoft Power Automate website. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Once logged in, click on the My Flows option from the left sidebar. Select Create from the top right corner of the page. Choose Automated Cloud Flow from the options presented. In the pop-up window, give your flow a name. Search for when a new email arrives in the trigger search bar. Select the When a new email arrives, V3, trigger. Click the Create button to start building your flow. Now, set up the trigger conditions. Choose the appropriate folder for incoming emails. Select the criteria for the emails you want to process. Next, click on New Step to add an action. In the Action search bar, type Outlook to find email-related actions. Select Create a Task from the list of available actions. Choose the corresponding task management service you want to use. Fill in the required fields, such as task title and description. You can use dynamic content from the email by clicking into the fields. Customize other settings as needed for the task creation. After finishing the setup, click Save in the upper right corner. To test your flow, send an email that meets the specified criteria. Check the Task Management tool to see if the task has been created. Return to Power Automate and monitor the flow's run history to ensure everything worked correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and configured Microsoft Power Automate for email to task routing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.